Hola amigos y amigas, I am Leila, also known as Miss Bohemian. I've had a long wash day and I need to jump straight into moisturizing and styling my hair. Soultanicals is what I'm hopping in with because why not? Because it's predicted, because I'm the Soultanicals YouTube channel right now, forever and here on after, till death do us part. And for all eternity, that's why. So today I'm hopping in with a Or Dry Bed-Stuy, which I don't think I've used before, and if I have, well, you're watching me use it again, but I don't think I have. It's a leave-in, and I got it in the CEO birthday box, which was fabulous, and I have a video as to what exactly is in that box here. I've done 2 other products from that box and I haven't linked to the video because my brain don't work. My hair has been like washed and done, everything's been done to it, and it's definitely ready. Ooh, this flowed out so well. Doesn't really have any scent, distinguishing scent, which is fine. It just feels like super light creamy. Oh, yummy on the hands. Let's see how it feels on the hair. I'm gonna flip over. Normally nowadays when I do my hair, I section it because it's growing in thicker since I've gone gray, thankfully, and it needs sectioning, which is like, what? Because I'm on camera and straight out of the shower. Well, straight out of washing my hair because I haven't been in the shower. This is easier. So let's see. It slides onto the hair really well. I forget to even say what I'm feeling just because it just feels so good. Detangling. Ooh, so smooth. I like to hear the squish, squish, squish sound. And when I don't, I'm going to put a lot of this in. I don't think my hair was wet enough. And for me to have the best results, I do need to hear that sound, but I also don't want to overdo it with products. So I'm going to spray some water into my hair. Okay, see the difference? You can hear it, but I still need a little more leave-in throughout the hair. The cap on this is fine. Normally I like pumps, but because this flows out so well, it works perfectly. It's very easy to access and pour into the hands. And let's see now. I always like to make sure the back of my hair is properly saturated because I got me some trauma from all the breakage I had there when I was bleached blonde. This feels incredible. My hair needs to be properly wet and I need to hear the sound to know that my hair is going to do well with the product. The leave-in feels incredible. Nothing deficient, nothing that I would crave more of. I don't feel like it's not moisturizing my hair enough, but I do use the LOC method, so this is the first step. But as far as the leave-in goes, it felt very silky smooth on the hands. Look at the richness and shiny yumminess of the product residue on my hands, and I feel really happy with the hair. This is a product I'll be using every day because I refresh my hair every day. I go back and wet my hair and I add my leave-in, my oil, and my cream because I use the LFC method. L stands for liquid or leave-in, O stands for oil, C stands for cream. So in this situation, the Or Dry Bed-Stuy is my leave-in. I'll do it for the duration of my wash cycle, so this would be wash day. Let's see how long I keep this wash cycle going and how my hair does throughout the wash cycle, and I'll be reporting back in. And the verdict is, I forgot that I do have to show you my hair on wash day. I totally spaced. So this is my hair on wash day. Look at this. It is, if I can say so myself, my hair is fucking beautiful. Fucking beautiful. It feels so incredible. So soft and so yummy to the touch with all the curls, and so much volume and bouncy and healthy and amazing and well nourished. It is like yum. It had its fill and it's so happy. Only Soultanicals can do this with my hair. Only Soultanicals. Now I can jump ahead and let's see how she's doing at the end of the wash cycle. I know she's going to be doing amazing. I know. You'll see. I'm back in my PJs. Looking busted in my bathrobe. I don't have it in me to do my makeup and dress up and set up my background and do the lights and blah and I have to wash my hair tomorrow. Normally I could put things off by a day until like I have it in me. So like I'd be like, okay, I won't wash my hair tomorrow and I'll do the makeup and I'll do the whole production to cap up the video properly and wash my hair the day after. But I'm kind of on a deadline. So today's, what day? Today's a Tuesday. And next week on Wednesday I travel to Georgia for a skate thing and I'm gone for about a week. And so tomorrow's Wednesday. I want to take a shower Wednesday so that the next time I take a shower is the day before I travel, Tuesday. So I have to plan things like that, you know, so it's just the logistics. So that's why it's messy. I love the hair. It has some frizz because it's evening and I fell asleep on it on the couch. In the morning it looked bomb. Boom. But it's nice and big and bouncy and I'm loving it and it feels so good. It feels so soft in spite of the fact that it looks crazy and frizzy right now. So for the purpose of this particular video, the Do or Dry Bed-Stuy, I love it. I'm on day 5, by the way. I'm watching my last day using these routine is day 5. I'm watching my hair tomorrow, day 6, because of the reasons that I delved into before, and I used this much. I used a lot. It felt good to moisturize my hair, and it's Thrive that way. It doesn't really weigh my hair down to moisturize a lot. It's just perfect. It's neither too light, neither too heavy. My hair just craves a lot of moisture. I don't put any more than I do with Knot Sauce. So, I mean, I think if you do well with Knot Sauce, you would do well with this one. I like it a lot. My hair's been doing great. I just look busted because of all the reasons I explained, and I just don't have it in me to look good. It stands the test of time. My hair is super happy and thriving. And do I recommend it? Absolutely. I absolutely do. So get you some. And that's it for this particular video. Hopping on to the next one. Stay tuned, because the same old busted me is going to be in that one too. At the end. It starts out looking pretty. Makeup, the whole production. So at least you get it in half the video. If you like this video and you don't mind me being all busted and in my PJs, hit like, comment, subscribe, and the notification bell to stay tuned for the next one. Made up me and busted me. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Ciao for now.